Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. We're going straight into your reading, Taurus. Now, you should know about this more than anybody. Taurus, you ever have a crush? I had so many crushes. Right now, my crushes is down to 2. Now, if you ask me who my crushes are, I can tell you. But the problem is 2 packs of sugar. If you ask my crushes if they like me, they're going to say, who the fuck is that? I don't know her. Nevertheless, Taurus, you rule Venus, so you know how innocent and you know how deep a crush can get. It might be just a crush now. That may be my future husband, baby daddy-in-law. This is your channel song. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. No, 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 no. I hung up the phone tonight. Something happened for the first time deep inside. It was a rush, what a rush. 'Cause the possibility that you would ever feel the same way about me is just too much, it's just too much. Now why do I keep running from the truth? All I ever think about is you. You got me hypnotized, so mesmerized, and I just got to know. Do you ever think when you're all alone, all that we can be, or where this thing could go? Am I crazy? I'm falling in love, or is this really just another crush? Do you catch yourself when I look at you? Are you holding me like the way you do? 'Cause I'm trying to walk away, but I know this crush ain't going away. Going away. Taurus, this crush ain't going away. When are you gonna make me your girlfriend? You wanna be my girlfriend? No problem. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is show me how much you care about me, compliment my mom, make sure you learn my mom's cooking, and make sure you be everything I want you to be. Stop saying that! I come from Jamaica. Man's no follow rules around this shit. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. So I'm getting Taurus, you have a crush, and I don't know if the crush is growing strong. The crush is turning into like. Then the light going turn into love, and before you know it, you have 2 babies and a dog with him in your head. Meanwhile, he is just standing there doing what he's doing because he does not know you have a crush on him. Do you notice me? I like the way you do. I am trying to walk away, I swear. That is why I haven't even told you I liked you. But I know this crush ain't going away. How do you know that Vanessa Carby likes you? Because she don't want. If she meets you, she won't care right away. Chances are she will not call you back. She don't like you. She feel like you've been loved. She been there before. She go Quebec on a tour. You say you want feel it raw. Me say no. Make her eat that girl breed for you. Hey, right? That's how you know. That's how I know when my crush is strong. Stronger. I don't have sexual feelings for the person. That is developed after. That's how I know it's genuine. So if I'm around you and I acted a little bit formidable and I'm acting a little bit weird, a little halal, it's usually because I have a crush on you. Let's go ahead and see what your overall message is, okay? But I know this crush is not going away. It's not going away. I tried, but it's not. I'll just go to sleep and I'll live my life with you there, if that's okay. All right, great, Taurus, let's go. Let's see what your overall message is. But I'm getting someone wants marriage from you, or be getting, this is not a crush where them are there with you and I'm like, oh, it's so nice to be with you 2-3 years ago. I'm getting somebody can say at least 12 years with you. That's how strong the crush is getting. Them can't say, can you one person for 12 years? If the person never hit you, never cheat on you, and two uno is compatible, could you only be loyal to one person for the next 12 years? Could you sign a contract on it? I could. Monogamy is not hard for me. The hard is getting these niggas to understand me. That's what the hard part is. Okay, we have a strength card coming out first. Yeah, the strength. I'm getting, yeah, one girl, they have this huge crush on this guy. It's not going away. It could be a Leo. Or me getting you always complimenting this guy, you tell him how him look, how him handsome, how him pretty, how him just so hard working. Yeah, me getting this crush is not going away. Me getting a Leo. Or me getting the strength card. Me getting like you're crushing over somebody, you don't know how to act around them, like it's just so terrible, like you're just crushing. You cap so hard, you just cap so hard, you're just crazy. And every time you cap, you don't even get the bottle caps, you get the Pepsi caps. And why would you cap when you sing the Pepsi cap on? Because without the cap, you can't close the Pepsi thing. Kissing and hope, they got us, okay? No cap. Maybe you feel like someone's like, she want money from me? Why is she hyping me up? Me getting because apparently you have not listened to your mother when she say, son, you have grown up to be such a handsome boy. And the chicks that you want to be with, their thoughts. So because of this mixture, you think that someone's bullshitting you, they're not. Me getting one of the prettiest things they have ever laid eyes on. That's why they have a crush on you. And you might be like, out of all the men she ever see, yeah, out of everybody, out of all of these beautiful guys in the world, you are the one that apparently she has a crush on. We have the King of Swords. We're getting you smart, you're intelligent, maybe you just know exactly what women like. Me getting you're compatible with every woman. You can get along with every woman. But me getting how you think. Maybe you think like a woman, not that you're feminine. Maybe you have a very close relationship with your mother. You understand women. Now you might even, this kind of looks like somebody knows that you like them. It could be two things. Somebody's waiting for you to just come to them and say, hey, I like you directly, since it's an air sign. So somebody could be a Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini. If that's not it, me getting maybe somebody doesn't want to hurt your feelings, so they keep ignoring the fact that you like them. We have the Page of Pentacles. Okay, somebody could also be very young, okay? Page of Pentacles is not a knight and it's not a king. How long you want to wait? We can't wait. I can't wait. Listen, the problem is not when you're dating a young person. The problem is, yeah, date young people and you just want them and leave them alone. If you plan commitment to them, I can commit 12 years. How long you want to wait? You want to wait 3 more years? For committee for 12 years, I can't wait that long. When it's real love, I can wait. When it's real love, me can't wait, and sex don't matter if it's real. But if sex really matters a lot, then chances are I'm a Q and never call you back. Because chances are you never made me come anyways, right? So yeah, the Page of Pentacles, I remember getting somebody still focusing on like things for them. Them still in the process of building them life. So maybe a girlfriend is not something they want, no. It's okay, you're not. One day out of the week, you must feel lonely. You must can call me. That's all I was saying. We have the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, your work. Me getting, first of all, you're way more mentally mature than you look. Me getting, if you're 25, you think like a 33-year-old. Me getting you probably think like a 40-odd-year-old man. Me getting is how you treat women. Maybe you're in a field where you have to attend to women. Cause me getting wherever you work around woman, or me getting women always love you off, basically. So maybe someone crush you thought is just, oh, it's just a crush. Yeah, enough girls like me. Me getting somebody's like, no, I will rip that motherfucking lion apart to get to you. That's how someone feels about you. Ace of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting you attracted to her too. You're just as attracted to her as she is to you. Me getting for you is sexual though. Maybe not. Maybe you're attracted to her, and because you like her, you're attracted to her, you want to have sex with her. Maybe you're afraid to have sex with her. As I say, usually how me know me really like somebody, I'm gonna stick around. I'm not talk about, not sex don't matter to me. I don't want sex with you. I want to be intimate with you, but I don't want penetration. That's what I should say. Yeah. If I like you a lot, I don't know why I'm telling YouTube this. If I like you, but maybe I can relate to somebody else. You might be the type of woman when you like somebody a lot. You might say, but why I don't want to have sex with them? Why am I scared to have sex with them? It's because when you like them a lot, when it's something real, something where you feel like we're long lasting, you don't want to penetrate them. Because as soon as you have sex with them, me getting that's gonna go away. You don't feel anything else. No, just because you feel that way and a guy probably want to have sex with you, me getting him actually already talking to somebody at his workplace. Did so me getting him have a crush on this guy, him work somewhere, he a co-worker. She probably gave him something because the head of him penis is burning the fuck out of him. Yeah, I don't know. This is pretty disappointing. Let me clarify the King of Swords one more time. King of Swords is a chariot. So he's a police officer. Or am I getting someone is concerned about, okay, she like mama like her, but my penis size. Sir, penis size don't, sir, how small could it possibly be? How small could it be? And to be honest, we just don't, like, this is, let me see what it says. Ace of Wands. Let me clarify Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Swords. You want this girl to be honest with you about the size of your dick or if she can please you. If you can please her, you want her to be honest sexually. Show me now. Let me tell you. You show me and I'll tell you what I think about it. I would never deny a dick pic. I'm so sorry. I should not say that. Good morning, IIRC. Good morning. I hope you're doing well today. Today is Saturday, so you are not open today, but I'm sure that you are open for any type of illegal immigration. Let us take a card for IIRC and we will leave it here. The judgment. IIRC, there is something about somebody's renewing a ID and the people them that identity them dead. There's something about an ID that's being sent off to your office. I'm getting the real identity of the person, they're dead. So that's just a tip for my IIRC workers, because them tell me say me coulda stay here. Good. We have Aries coming on first. Okay. All right. We have go outside. We have awards. We have trust no one, and nous avons I've sold my soul. Until next time, bye.
Oh my God.